Welcome to another Whatever Wednesday. I'm still with the Audi RS6 GT. As you can see, it's snowing a bit. It's actually sadly calming down. The moment I got up here to film, it started to calm down. Otherwise, it was dumping for a couple of hours now. But nonetheless, I thought today, for a Whatever Wednesday video, just get out and have a nice drive in the snow and take some pictures, because this is definitely one of the most photogenic cars in the snow. So I've been trying to find some deeper snow to drive the RS6 in, and it's just really difficult in Switzerland. They are annoyingly on top of cleaning the road. So when I came up here, it was fresh snow everywhere, but within a few minutes a snowplow came up after me and ruined all of my nice shooting locations. But for now, this is the one place that I could find that hasn't been snowplowed yet. It does go down there. It's difficult in Switzerland to find some cool back roads that you're allowed to drive down that hasn't also been snowplowed. But anyway, going to make the most of it. Just get out for a nice drive, because having an RS6 GT at home to use on a daily basis is not something that I'm going to have probably more than once. Right now I've got this car for 2 weeks, and yeah, I probably won't have it again, to be honest. It's not a press car that, you know, Audi Germany would give out more than once. So making the most of it, definitely enjoying taking pictures of it. It does look so cool. So I still think that one of the coolest cars to take in the snow in the world is the RS6. Even me, as one of the biggest Porsche fans out there, an RS6 in the snow is just epic, alongside the RS3, of course, with the 5-cylinder. It is just quattro season. I was a little bit close to the edge. Could not see because the rear view camera is so filthy. I'm around this close to the edge. So lucky this time. But anyway, I wanted to take a few pictures, get the most of today in these conditions, and I thought, why not reverse it down there. I actually thought I was going to get stuck then. Just after around an hour ago, I posted an Instagram story saying I will not be getting stuck today. As Jeremy Clarkson would say, I overcame this situation with nothing but sheer power. Really, there was a moment I thought this could be another embarrassing video. I'm so happy it wasn't. Let's head up a bit further, try and find another nice shooting location and warm my feet up a bit. It is such a monster in the snow, this thing. Oh, small little avalanche coming over the side then. That was a bit close. I would have been very surprised if I had got stuck then. That's something I would love to do once, is find the limit of this car. This or my RS3. I need to find somewhere where I can drive deep into the snow legally. Ideally a ski slope would be great. It just plows the road I'm on, I'm actually heading up towards the System Pass, up the back, what I call the backside anyway. And for me, it's so funny coming up here. Now, I didn't know how far you can actually drive up to the bottom of the System Pass. It's quite a way, actually. I think I always get slightly emotional. I'm so close to the System Pass, and I have so many incredible memories on the System Pass that to be here now, I'm so close to it, but I just can't get on it. So I'm going to make the most of the snow today, because looking at the weather, I've got this car for another week, and at the moment it says no snow forecast for another week. And I know a lot of you wanted to see some more RS6 snow action, so I'm going to do my best to give you guys that. I know it's dying off now, the snow, but sadly I can't control the weather yet as much as I would like to. I think let's head up as far as we can to the System Pass. Yeah, I would be sad giving this back. This is as far as I can go right now, bottom of the System Pass. Not the best looking photo spot I was hoping for, because again the snow plow has been here and ruined all of my fun. I just want to walk over and see what it looks like on the System Pass. Not the perfect photo location. Actually, it could look quite cool, actually sat in the middle of the road going down the mountain, although I'm looking for some deep snow to put the RS6 in. And that actually could look quite cool now I've walked up here a bit. So here we are, bottom of the System Pass. How cool is this? So at this point, normally I'm shifting down a gear in whatever sports car I'm driving in, heading up into that first corner. I don't know why I talk about the System Pass like a racetrack, because it's not. But I just know this road so well, and super cool. I really should have done this before. As you can see, a bit of a difficulty. Actually, no barrier. I thought there was a barrier up here. There is no barrier. It's just snowplow has made a wall. I'm assuming it's going to be quite deep the other side. Let's have a look. So cool. Here we are, walking up to System Pass. Really cool. Imagine living somewhere like this. This would be my dream. A cabin like this, high up. Winter System Pass run. This would be incredible. Looking up here now, what a road to drive up in the winter. But I understand why it's closed, and that is because of this. The System Pass has extremely high drops, and yeah, I get it. It would be insanely dangerous. kind of an okay location. I think with a little bit of Photoshop, it could be quite nice.